Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create screenshot on Motorola Moto E14. So you just need to push power button and volume down button together, like this, and screenshot will be created. Now you have few seconds for use these quick action buttons, because screenshot will be automatically saved to the gallery. So let me try it again. And now we can try the first button. As you can see, this is for sharing. You have few options here. You can share it via Bluetooth, Google Drive, Gmail, or some messaging app. Or you can print it directly from the phone. The second button is for editing the image. You can use some filters here, rotate the image, crop the image, and if done, you can tap on the done button and it will be automatically saved to the gallery. If you want to use these functions later, you can use them directly in the gallery. As you can see, there are the same buttons: share, same functions, and edit, same functions. So it's up to you. If you want to do it quickly, you can do it directly after the screenshot creation, or you can do it in the gallery too. So thank you for watching. If you like this content, thumbs up, and for more content like this, please subscribe. Bye.